Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious sushi nigiri at home. The foundation of great nigiri is perfectly prepared sushi rice. First, rinse your high-quality sushi rice thoroughly until the water runs completely clear. Then cook it using a 1-to-1 ratio of rice to water. Once cooked and still warm, season it with a balanced mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. This creates the essential sticky and flavorful base for your nigiri. Next, selecting the right fish is crucial for authentic nigiri. Always choose fresh, sushi-grade fish, such as tuna, salmon, or yellowtail, from a trusted supplier. Carefully slice the fish against the grain into pieces that are approximately 2 inches long and 1 inch wide. Aim for a consistent thickness of about 1/4 inch for each beautiful slice. This ensures a perfect bite every time. Now let's form the nigiri. Begin by moistening your hands with water to prevent the rice from sticking. Take about 1 tablespoon of the seasoned sushi rice and gently compress it into a neat, elongated oval shape. Before placing the fish, add a tiny dab of wasabi to one side of your fish slice. This adds a subtle kick and helps the fish adhere to the rice. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Gently press the fish slice onto the rice, ensuring it adheres securely and looks appealing. Serve your freshly made nigiri immediately. It pairs wonderfully with a small dish of soy sauce for dipping and some pickled ginger to cleanse your palate between bites. Enjoy the incredible fresh flavors and textures of your homemade sushi nigiri.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.